Hi, in this video I'll show you how to read RSS feeds in Emacs using Gnus, which originally was an NTP client and which now can do all sorts of stuff. The easiest way to do this is to connect to the Gween.org server, which is a server that reads RSS feeds and serves them up as Usenet news via an NTP. So how do we do this? Well, start by making a configuration file. Start by setting the Gnus select method to nothing, and then we'll set the Gnus secondary select methods to a list of an NTP server called newsgreen.org, like that. Okay, then we're ready to start Gnus, and that's just metex Gnus. It starts up, connects to the server, and as we haven't subscribed to any RSS feeds or news groups, Gnus tells us that no news is good news. Now, to actually read something, we can go to the group buffer by pressing the hat like this, and here we can see all the servers, and the one we are interested in is the green one. So move the point down to that one and press enter, and you can see it's reading the list of groups, and it's a long list. Just ignore the ones that start with Gmail. That's mailing lists. So we go down to Gween, and then you can see the list of all the RSS feeds that are already subscribed in the system or already exist on the Gween server. So let's find something we want to subscribe to. XKCD perhaps. XKCD might be interesting. No, not the explanations, just the comics, and maybe the what if as well. What else do we want? Maybe a programmer of some sort, and yeah, maybe that's it. We exit the list here by pressing Q, and we exit the server buffer. You can see server buffer by pressing Q again, and we're back to the group buffer, and the groups we are subscribed to are listed. Now, to have Gnus update the number of unread articles in the groups, we press G, and here is the total numbers, because we haven't read anything yet. Maybe we want to read all the old stuff, maybe we don't. If we don't, then C for catch up, which will mark all the unread articles in the group as read. Yes, I've read them. Those as well. Good. So now when let's just read something. You enter a group by space, and since they were all read, it asks how many old articles I want to see, maybe the last 5, like that. So here in the group buffer, there's a list of all the articles, and you just read them by pressing space. Yeah, so that's an interesting fact. And if you mouse over, you'll get the mouse over text, so you're not missing anything from the web version, because Gnus renders HTML in this nice and simple way. When you're done reading, you press Q to exit the group, and you're back here, and I can press G to update the group list again, and it becomes empty. And that's because there are nothing I haven't read. And Gnus will by default only show you the groups that have unread articles, because the ones you have read, there's no need to show them all the time. If you want to see them anyway, you can press capital L, and you get the list of all the groups, even the ones that have no unread articles, and you can enter them, and you can see, oh, maybe I wanted to That was an interesting one. I can't remember what that was about. You can read old, previously read articles as well. When you're done, out here in the group buffer, you just press Q to exit Gnus, and you're all done. I hope this helps all the Google Readers fans that now have to find a new way to read RSS feeds. At least this is a nice way to do it, and you don't have to leave Emacs. Bye bye.